So for related services specifically, you definitely have the right to request the data. First of all, look at your IEP goals. If it's ever something that's tangible, always make sure that they're written as measured by work samples, because then the data will always be the work that they're doing. So if the OT goals are any form of writing or typing, technically that's a work sample too. You can literally receive that as the proof, right? Mm-hmm. Now, if it's a goal where it can't be tangible, like a counseling goal and they're talking and giving, talking about coping, that's different. It's a little harder. Ask for service logs. You have the right to the service logs, and the service logs aren't as great as like real data, but it'll still have the date and the time and what they worked on, and you can gauge that. Again, observations. You have the right to observe speech and language sessions. If they're in group, that's still a public school. You can still go in and observe a public speech and language session. If they're in a social skills group, you can still go in and observe. If they're in an OT group, you can still go in and observe. And again, if your presence will change that, your child's behavior, send a blind observer, send someone that they don't know is there for them, that you trust, obviously.